Hi guys, this is Module 7, Lesson 7. Today we will solve word problems using the total value of some coins. Hoy vamos a resolver problemas de palabras usando el valor total de algunas monedas. So we've been learning about coins, guys, and just to go over, this is a penny. Okay, this is the front side and the back side of a penny, and pennies are worth 1 cent. Okay. Este es una moneda de 1 centavo. Recuerda que en español no se llama penny porque no hay nombre para las monedas en español, así es que solo le decimos moneda de 1 centavo. Okay, este es el lado de enfrente y este es el lado de atrás. This is a nickel, guys, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. Alright, here's the front side and the back side. Okay, and it tells you 5 cents on the back. Okay, esta es mi moneda de 5 centavos porque vale 5 centavos, ok. Este es el lado de enfrente y el lado de atrás, y aquí mismo me dice que vale 5 centavos, ok. This is a dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents. Alrighty, the tricky part is if you have these coins in real life in front of you, is that nickels are usually a little bigger than a dime. Okay, but nickels are worth 5 cents and dimes are worth 10 cents. Okay, so that's the tricky part. And this is the front of our dime and the back of our dime. And it tells you right here that it's a dime. Alrighty? So esta es mi moneda de 10 centavos, porque vale 10 centavos. Este es el lado de enfrente y el lado de atrás. Okay? Que a lo mejor se va a hacer un poco difícil sobre la moneda de 10 centavos es que la moneda de 5 centavos normalmente es un poco más gruesa y más grande que la moneda de 10 centavos, aunque esta vale más. Okay? And here is a quarter. And quarters are worth 25 cents. Okay? So here's the front side and the back side. And remember, guys, usually the back side of a quarter has an eagle on it, but you can see if you have any real quarters in front of you, maybe they have a different back to them that's specific to a state or a special event. Alright, but the most popular one has an eagle on the back. Okay, so esta es mi moneda de 25 centavos y vale 25 centavos. Okay, el lado de enfrente y el lado de atrás. Recuerda, esta es la moneda más grande y el lado de atrás casi siempre tiene un águila, pero a veces tiene un evento especial de un estado, pero la mayoría del tiempo va a tener un águila, y aquí te dice que es una quarter, una moneda de 25 centavos. Okay? So guys, we said we were going to solve word problems, so I'm going to read this one. It says, Owen has 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 16 pennies. How much money does he have? Okay? So, just a reminder, when we solve word problems, right, we're going to underline our question, right? We're going to circle our numbers, box important words. So I'm going to start off with that. So, he has 4 dimes, all right, and I'm going to put a box around it because I know that the 4 goes with the dimes, okay? It's not just circling the number 4, right? It's 4 dimes, okay? Same with 3 nickels and 16 pennies. Okay, and it's asking me how much money does he have. So now I'm going to figure out a total, okay? So aquí mi pregunta dice, Owen tiene 4 monedas y voy a circular 4 monedas de 10 centavos, okay? 3 monedas de 5 centavos. Okay, porque no solamente es 3 monedas de 5 centavos y 16 monedas de 1 centavo. Okay, mi pregunta es ¿cuánto dinero tiene Owen? Okay. Alrighty guys, so what you're going to do is that you're going to draw the coins. Alright, and you're not going to draw them to look like an actual penny or a nickel or a dime or a quarter. Alright, what you're going to do is that you're going to draw a circle and you're going to put the value of each coin. Okay, so for example, if I have 4 dimes, I'm going to draw 4 circles, and I know that each dime is worth 10 cents, so I'm going to draw 10, in each one. Okay? And then there are 3 nickels, so I'm going to draw 3 more circles. And nickels are worth 5 cents, so I'm going to draw a 5 inside each circle. And 16 pennies. So for pennies, okay, here's a trick. You don't have to draw 16 pennies because then it would be a waste of time, right? Drawing 16 pennies. Okay, if you really want to, you can. But what you can also do is just draw 1 circle and put a 16 in there because you have 16 of those pennies, okay? But only for pennies, not for dimes, not for nickels, not for quarters, okay? Just for the pennies. Alrighty, and then you're just gonna figure out your total, okay? So, lo que vas a hacer es que vas a dibujar tus monedas. Tengo 4 monedas de 10 y aquí las dibujé. Dibujé 4 círculos y le puse 10 adentro. 3 monedas de 5, y aquí están mis 3 monedas de 5 y 16 monedas de 1 centavo. Las monedas de 1 centavo las puedes dibujar solamente un círculo y le pones el valor adentro. Tengo 16 y por eso escribí 16 aquí adentro. Okay? Y solo vas a encontrar tu total. So I'm gonna figure out my total, and I have, so I know here I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, plus 16. Alrighty, you might want to do that the vertical way, so I'm going to write 55 plus 16. Okay, and I have 5 plus 6 is 11. Oops, 11. I got a little carried away. And I put my 1 on the line in the tens place, and I have 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So I have 71 cents. Alrighty, and that's it. That's my total. Owen has 71 cents. So aquí encontré mi total. Sumé 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, más 16. Y lo hice de la manera vertical, 55 más 16, y mi respuesta fue 71 centavos. ¿Ok? Y eso es todo. Let's try this one out, guys. So I'm going to read it. It says, Carrie had 2 dimes, 1 quarter, and 11 pennies in her pocket. Then she bought a soft pretzel for 35 cents. How much money does Carrie have left? I'm going to circle my question. So let's think about this, guys. She had 2 dimes, 1 quarter, and 11 pennies. But then she bought a pretzel. Think about, this was one of our important words before. What does bought mean? If you buy something, is she adding 35 cents to her money? Or is she taking away 35 cents? Think about that for a second. Okay. So, aquí dice Carrie tenía 2 monedas de 10 centavos, una moneda de 25 centavos y 11 monedas de 1 centavo en su bolsillo. Luego se compró un pretzel por 35 centavos. ¿Cuánto dinero le queda a Carrie? So ella tenía estas monedas y luego se compró un pretzel por 35 centavos. La palabra compró, cuando compras algo, quiere decir que estás sumando tu dinero o le estás quitando dinero a lo que tienes. Correcto, quiere decir que estás quitando dinero. Así es que aquí vamos a hacer una resta. Pero primero debemos dibujar las monedas. Okay, guys. So, first we're going to start off by drawing our coins. So I'm going to draw my 2 dimes. And they're each worth 10 cents. A quarter, which is worth 25 cents. And 11 pennies. And remember, for my pennies, I'm just going to write the value inside of 1 circle. So that's my total. Okay, and then she bought a pretzel for 35 cents, so hopefully you thought about it while I was explaining the question in Spanish. And when you buy something, you're taking away. So she's taking away 35 cents. Okay, so I'm just gonna put here. So first I need to figure out my total. So I have 10, 20, plus 25. Alrighty, so I have 45. Plus 11, so I have 45, plus 11, equals, and you should be able to do that in your brain really quick. And I have 56. Okay, so those are 56 cents. So then you're going to do 56 cents minus, right? We said we're taking away the 35 cents that she paid for her pretzel. So minus 35 equals, okay? And you can do this subtracting across or vertically. Okay, so if I do it across, I'm going to do my ones place. 6 minus 5 is 1, and 5 minus 3 is 2. 21 cents. So she has 21 cents left. If you want to do this the vertical way, you can also solve it by writing 56 minus 35. And you have 6 minus 5 is 1, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Alrighty. So she has 21 cents left. Okay. So aquí lo que hicimos fue que dibujamos nuestras monedas. Aquí tengo mis dos monedas de 10 centavos que están aquí. Una moneda de 25 centavos y 11 monedas de 1 centavo. Recuerda que esas puedes hacer solamente un círculo y escribir el valor adentro. Entonces encontramos primero el total. Tengo 10, 20 más 25. Eran 45 más 11. Mi respuesta fue 56. Y luego, recuerda que dijimos que cuando compras algo le vas a quitar. Así es que mi segunda frase numérica fue 56, que fue lo que encontré aquí, menos 35, porque su pretzel costó 35 centavos y la respuesta fue 21 centavos. Okay, so a Carrie le queda 21 centavos. Okay. So I'm going to read this one to you guys, and then you're going to try to solve it by yourself first, and then check your work with me, okay? So it says, Susan has 4 dimes and 3 nickels in her piggy bank. Neve has 17 pennies and 3 nickels in her piggy bank. What is the total value of money in both piggy banks? Alright, so draw your coins, figure out your total value, and then come back and check your work with me, okay? So aquí dice, Susan tiene 4 monedas de 10 centavos y 3 monedas de 5 centavos en su alcancía. Neve tiene 17 monedas de 1 centavo y 3 monedas de 5 centavos en su alcancía. ¿Cuál es el valor total de sus alcancías? Así es que pausa la video, encuentra el valor total y regresa conmigo para revisar tu trabajo, ¿ok? So hopefully you solved it, guys. Let's go over it real quick. So I'm going to circle 4 dimes, 3 nickels in her piggy bank. That's Susan. All right, and then Neve has 17 pennies and 3 nickels in her piggy bank. And I want to find the total value of money, so now I'm going to add it all together. Okay, so Susan tiene 4 monedas de 10 centavos, 3 monedas de 5 centavos. Y Neve tiene 17 monedas de 1 centavo y 3 monedas de 5 centavos. ¿Y cuál es el valor total de sus alcancías? Entonces yo sé que voy a sumar porque quiero encontrar el valor total. Okay, so Susan has 4 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And dimes are worth 10 cents. And she has 3 nickels. So 1, 2, 3. And nickels are worth 5 cents. Good job. Okay, and then Neve, I'm going to put an S here for Susan. Neve has 17 pennies. So I'm going to draw a circle with 17. And 3 nickels. 1, 2, 3. And nickels are worth 5 cents. Now, let's just figure out the total that each girl has. Okay, so Susan has 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55 cents. Okay, she has 55 cents. Neve has, let's do the 17 at the end. So she has 5, 10, 15 plus 17. All right, so 15 plus 17. I have 5 plus 7 in my ones place is 12, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So Neve has 32 cents. Okay. And because I want to find my total value of the money in both piggy banks, I'm going to add both of the girls' totals up. So Susan has 55 cents. And Neve has 32 cents. Okay. And I have 5 plus 2 in my ones place is 7. 5 plus 3 in my tens place is 8. So in total, they have 87 cents. Okay, so if you got 87 cents, good job, guys. If you didn't, look at my work. Hopefully, now you know why your total was off by a little bit. Alrighty? So aquí dibujé que Susan tiene 4 monedas de 10 centavos y 3 monedas de 5 centavos. Su total es 55 centavos. Nevaeh tiene 17 monedas de 1 centavo y 3 monedas de 5 centavos. Y su total es 32 centavos. Luego, como quieres encontrar el valor total de sus alcancías, vas a sumar el 55 más 32 y tu respuesta es 87 centavos. Okay? So your exit ticket on Class Dojo, alrighty, make sure you draw the coins and show your work. So the question is, Robert gave Sandra 1 quarter, 5 nickels, and 2 pennies. Sandra already had 3 pennies and 2 dimes. How much money does Sandra have now? So make sure you draw all the coins, show your work, guys, take a picture, and submit on Class Dojo. So tu exit ticket dice que asegúrate que dibuje las monedas y demuestres tu trabajo. Okay? So Robert le dio a Sandra una moneda de 25 centavos, 5 monedas de 5 centavos y 2 monedas de 1 centavo. Sandra ya tenía 3 monedas de 1 centavo y 2 monedas de 10 centavos. Ahora, ¿cuánto dinero tiene Sandra? Ok, so vas a dibujar tus monedas, demuestra tu trabajo y le tomas una foto y lo entregas en Class Dojo. Ok, see you tomorrow.